Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please see the disclaimer in your own time. How is everybody doing? Good afternoon. Hello. Happy weekend. It's Swazes here. I thought I'd do a few little mini podcasts, if you like, on a few movers that I've been charting out and following with a lot of interest the past few weeks, months, etc. And there are interesting geographical locations on the charts, right? So I'm just going to make a quick few videos. Hope you guys find them of some interest. Let's have a look at POW, right? Let's have a look at POW because it seems to be a popular mover. The ticker seems to be a popular mover all over FinTwit, and it's at a very interesting location right now. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through. I'm going to go through a few things on the charts, and we'll see whether or not. And I can't find the ticker on Twitter as usual, so we'll jump straight into the charts, and we'll have a look at POW. Right, as usual, an extremely professionally made video. All right, so let's jump in. Let's jump into Power Metal Resources PLC, and let's have a look. Right, so let's see what trading view. And the reason why I'm making a quick video on POW is because I've spotted some very interesting looking things on the charts. All right, guys, and anyone that follows me knows that I'm obsessed with technical analysis, and we have Swazes Charts Discord where we teach my system of TA to, I think we've got 106 students now, so yeah, it's going extremely well. So the technicals with TradingView say that it's a buy, and I absolutely agree. To be honest with you, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. And I'll show you, right, my ideas on POW, right. We'll look at the daily chart to start off with, right. So it's a relatively new stock. When was it floated? June 2019, right? So what happened was, right, this is the daily chart, guys, right, as you can see, and every candle represents a day of trading, a full day of trading, right? So POW was floated June 2019, and as we can see on the charts, this is the consolidation pattern, right, which is a tight market state of a ranging market state, very, very tight for quite a while. And it started ranging in a tight consolidation, right? And then what happened was, right, if we just zoom in to the chart, we can see that it started to trend, right, trend up in this old channel. Do you see the old channel here? I've kept it here, so we can see the old channel, right? And then, interestingly enough, with POW, what it's done, it's still trending up, but it's made a more bullish shift to the upside. And what I've done, I've highlighted the channel, as we can see in this this red bordered channel, as we can see, right? And then it made an all-time high, right? October of this year, made an all-time high of about, I can't remember, was it 2.65? It touched its all-time high. But what's interesting, right, is the market structure, right? We've got a market structure. We've gone from a consolidation to an uptrend to a more bullish uptrend. So the market makers are telling me that POW may want to retest its all-time high, because if it wants to retest its all-time high, which it did not so long ago, like the 8th of December, so a few weeks back, or 10 days ago or so, or whatever, right? Tried to test it, didn't like it, came back down, found support, found some support with these tail bars at the bottom of this. I'm calling this as a new, more bullish channel on the daily chart, and it'll translate to the 4-hour as well. But it looks to me, you see this level here, guys, right? It looks to me that it's coming into like a triangle configuration. And I think it'll want to test. I think it'll want to test at some point in the very near future. If price holds at these levels here, right, it'll want to retest that all-time high. Now we see in the charts time and time again that when price wants to keep testing and probing The all-time highs, it's doing it for a reason. Why? Because if this is the new bullish channel with POW, guys, right, we've got the potentiality market structure up ahead in the short to medium term of breaking through that all-time high and seeking 3 plus P, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7p in this structure here that we can see, right? So it consolidated, right? You can see it on the charts. Price consolidated. Then it started trending up, right? Then it's bullishly gone into a new direction of a new, more bullish channel, right? Which we can see that price touched the all-time high and then consolidated. This is how price moves within structures, right? Consolidated, came back up, retested the all-time high, didn't like it, came back down, and it looks like now we've got like a mini area of consolidation along these levels here, right? Which is very, very interesting. Let's see how POW does in the next coming weeks, and let's see whether or not we find some support at these levels here, where it's going to want to carry on to probe, test that all-time high, try and break through to this potentiality of the new uptrend up ahead. So I like what I'm seeing with POW. It's looking very interesting. We've currently got 21 on top of price. We've got the 50 EMA just underneath price. We've got the 100 below, and then further down we've got the 200 EMA. So if price might want to retest these lower levels and interact with these levels of this lower support, right? But I think that if price gets above all the EMAs and then starts testing this all-time high, we might be in for some new all-time highs with POW. All right, guys, dead quick video. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone's keeping warm and looking forward to Christmas. And I'll post this on YouTube and I'll embed it on Twitter. And I look forward to seeing all you guys knocking around over the weekend. Thanks a lot.